Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video I'm going to be doing something a bit different. I'm going to show you how to add Microsoft Copilot for license for your users. Copilot for your license for your users. Now keep in mind there are two versions of Copilot available right now. There are two versions of Copilot. One is the individual. Now, the individual Copilot license is basically if you have your personal Outlook account, or like for your family, each one of you guys have like an Outlook, or maybe you have an Office 365 or a Microsoft 365 account which you're using for your family. That is a individual license. So if you want to purchase the Copilot individual, I think the cost is equal to 20 per user per month, right? Which includes Copilot for all your Office applications, which are going to be integrated with your PowerPoint, with your Word, with your Excel, which you can use Copilot, which is the AI agent, to be able to answer all your queries directly integrated into your Office applications, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, Outlook, and so on. Now, the second version is Copilot Enterprise. The Enterprise version is basically for businesses, SMEs, schools, universities, right, and large corporations. So basically that's the enterprise version, which if you want to get that license, you have to contact your IT admin department and you have to ask them to assign you a license for your Copilot. So in this video, I'm going to show you how, if you are an IT admin of a company or an organization or a university or a school, and you want to add Copilot to your staff, how to add the Copilot license. First of all, you need to purchase it, which means you have to purchase a number of Copilot users for your enterprise, maybe 10, 15, whatever the case may be, and then you have to go and assign that Copilot license to each individual user. All right, so here I'm going to show you how to add, assuming you already purchased the Copilot license in your enterprise or in your company. I'm going to show you how to add the Copilot license to your users for organizations, which is the Enterprise Copilot license. Okay, so once you have purchased it online, you have to log into your admin center, which is your Microsoft Global Admin Center. And once you log into your global account, your Microsoft Global account in your admin center, you click on the admin here on the left, and that will load up your admin center. And here you're going to see a list of your available licenses and so on. Just go down to billing, click on the billing tab, the drop down, and then go down to and choose licenses. That will load up all your licenses of all your different products which you have as part of your Microsoft 365 plan, right? So here, see, I have here, for example, one license which I've already assigned, Microsoft 365 Copilot. You click on that, and then here you should have, if you have already assigned one, we're supposed to get like 3 more next week, and then you just choose assign licenses, and then it's going to load up here on the side, and then you choose the name, you click add and assign, and it's going to be assigning that license to that specific user. So I can show you another example here. For example, let's say for Power Automate, or I've got here, for example, Power Automate. Here, for example, you just choose it's the same process. You choose the license, you enter the name of the person you want to add it to, and then you click on that, and then you click assign. right? I've already assigned that person. Once you click assign, that license is going to be assigned to that specific user. Okay. Once the license is assigned, it's going to take about 30 minutes for it to be active on the user's account. And when the user's account, then what he has to do, he has to go and update his Office applications. So what's going to happen here for Copilot? You go to, for example, on your Outlook, let the user go to the Outlook, go to Office account, and make sure he chooses Update Now. Update Now is going to update his Office application or his Office 365 apps, and then from there it's going to load the Copilot, right? It's going to load. So for example, for PowerPoint, the same thing. You go to File, Account, and then you choose Update Now. Once you hit Update Now, it's going to update the Microsoft PowerPoint, his Excel, his Word, his Outlook, and then when he loads up anything, any new, for example, any new file, let's see here, you're going to see this Copilot right here. See? It's going to show up on the actual Office application for the user to start using, right? And then you can say, you can choose whatever you want, create a presentation about whatever. You have another option to access Copilot, which is right here on the right. And this opens up a Copilot window on the side, which allows you to ask Copilot any questions that you want about the presentation, about if you want to create something, and so on. Right from here, the user can start playing around with it, and then going to start using Copilot for different purposes within the Office applications. All right, I'll do another video on how to use Copilot for PowerPoint and one maybe for Word, just to show you guys how it's going to save a lot of time and workflow time and development time and analysis time for any user who's going to start using it for his daily workflows and activities. Okay, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.